I'm going to show you guys in this video step by step how to use Invideo for beginners. And recently Invideo have changed their UI UX design, their user interface and experience, and they've made everything look very simple and easy for newbies to navigate around their platforms. So that is one interesting thing I like about the new version of Invideo, and you guys should really find it very easy to use or navigate around. So let's jump right into this video. First of all, what I want you guys to do is to go down to the description and then click on the first link that's going to be displayed in the description, and then it's going to take you to the interface of Invideo, and let's go there. Okay guys, so first of all you're going to click on the link, and then it brings you to this page. This is the Invideo page. So what you're just going to do here now is now to sign up. If you have an account, then you just log in, but here you're going to sign up. You just click on sign up, and then here it's going to tell you to either sign up with your Gmail, your Facebook, but I recommend you sign up with your name, and then you put your email, and then you put your password, and then you click create account. They're not going to send you a verification message to your Gmail. Then you're going to verify your account from your Gmail and then have your account accessed. So I already have an account, so I don't want to recreate another account. Okay guys, then you're now going to come to this place where you have now created your account. You can see this is where your account is. Hi Victor. You see this is my name, Hi Victor, and then I'm using the free plan. And yes, you could actually use the free plan to achieve so many things guys, but if you want to get the full experience and the full package of Invideo, then you go for the plans. You can see the plans here now available. If you click on upgrade, it's going to show you the offer. Just wait, you can see these are the offer. This is the business plan, and then this is the ultimate plan for 15, and then for $30 per month. Then that is for yearly, and then here it's monthly in case you want to. But we're okay with the free plan. In case you guys are serious about Invideo and want to take it to another level, then you cannot pay for it, but it's actually worth it guys. It's actually worth it. So let me start showing you guys how all of this thing. So this is the dashboard. This is your dashboard where you have all your templates. You have your text videos here, and then this is where you have your projects. This is where you have all your projects. If you have done projects, I have actually done a lot of projects here guys. Let's cancel this. So you can see I've done a lot of projects here guys. So these are my recent project that I did. So this is a trash where if you delete your product, you're going to see your project. If you delete your project, you're going to see it here. So it is, and then here guys is where you can actually team up with your friends to create a design or to create a project. So you can team up with your friends here. So this is the name of your team. If your company, you now enter the email of your friends, and then you send them, and then you can add people here, then you invite them with the invitation link and so on. So that's not what we're going to do here. So let's go back, let's close this, and let's do something guys. So now let's click on this. Okay guys, so we're here. You can see here here it says these are templates. These are just templates here. These are what we call templates guys. So here this is text to video guys. This is text to video. So you can see the templates for text to video. You can choose numerous, and there are so many templates you can choose if you want to work with any that fits your test or fits your brand or fits what you want to do. And here where it says stock media is where you have all your stock footages or media to work with, or your images to work with. So let me show you guys how to do this. So if you should click on this box, then this image box where it shows image box is only going to outline and show you guys only the images. So you can see only the images here, and you can actually just type what type of images you're looking for. So let's say we are looking for money, and then you just click on search, enter. Yeah, you can see, so it actually just make your workflow very easy. And here too, when you click on this and then you click on videos, you get the points. It's going to just outline all in videos for you guys. So that is basically just what it does. So let's do something guys. So let's go to create text to video. Nice. Okay, let's see this. Let's use this guys. This is what we've selected. Then you can also okay, so let me just post this. It comes with its own music. So and if you want to change it, you can actually change it. So you come here and then choose the proportion, the size, the format of the video you want to create. You choose here, So let's say it's portrait we want to create, that is for shorts, for YouTube shorts or for TikToks. So just click on use template here. So guys, here is where you're going to now put your heading of what you want to actually create about, because it's a text to video kind of option. Let's come here and then let's create something. Let's search for something new here. I want to show you guys for an article. Let's say how to make money online, and then let's search for it. And then you can see here it says 17 ways you can make money online right now. Okay, let's just enter this Forbes. So you can see, yes, it's still loading. All you're gonna do now is now to just copy text, just copy it, and then go back to Invideo, and then you paste it here as your headings. Let's say 3 ways to make, just to make this video short, 3 ways you can make money online right now. And then let's go back and let me show you guys how you're going to do it. So you come down where it started. Okay, so you can see first of all they say sell a photo. So all you're going to do now is to now copy this one, and then you take it to Invideo again, and then here you're going to paste, then you're going to press enter to give space. So you can see you just copy this down to where you want, and then we'll just copy and then take it back to Invideo, and then we'll paste it here. So what we're going to do is now click enter, and then make space and come back again, and let's go down. Okay, to create how-to videos. Okay, so you see this is YouTube. This is telling you how to create money, how to get money on YouTube. So number 2, we're just gonna. So guys, here we are done copying everything. You can see here we've done copying everything, and mind you guys, you're gonna have limitations if you copy a lot of text, so you should try to make it short. Okay, so when we are done, all we have to do now is just click on next. You can see here it says hi, that is too much text for one scene. Do you want us to rearrange it for you or continue anyways? Okay, let's click. You can continue anyways, or you can rearrange text. So let's click on rearrange text, and you can see it has rearranged the text for us. So we now click on next. Okay guys, so you can see here we're actually done with the text to video. You can see it is actually outlined, and it has actually given us like an image to use, like a stock image. So if we should play the preview all, you will notice that it's okay. So you can see 3 ways to make money. And so that is just it guys. So if you're not satisfied with the image that is displaying here, all you have to do is just delete it, or the where it says images here, sorry, or you can actually upload your own images that you're going to use. So you come here where it says images, and then you could just actually search for your own image, or you could just upload any stock image here. So let's say, okay, here we're searching for money. So you just bring this money and drop it here, and you can see it's going to change the background. And you can see here you just scroll down and do it for the rest of all your video for the rest, and edit it well. And here where it says music, you could actually just change the music to either rock or any music you want guys. So now let's go to the advanced editor. Let me show you guys something. So okay guys, so we're here at the advanced editor. Here is where you have more flexibility. So what you have to do now is you can actually add a voiceover for your text. So you come to this place where it says voiceover, and then you could actually just record your voice if you want to record your voice, or upload a voice file, or import it from your PC, or auto text to speech. So that's what we're going to use here, auto text to speech. And then here you choose what language you want. So we go with English US, and then you can choose who you want to be your audio AI. So let's play.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
Okay, let's see Matthew.
Hello, hope you are having a great time making your video.
So I'll just select Matthew. I prefer Matthew. So what we're going to do now is to You see, this is what Matthew is going to say as we click generate. So we just click on generate here, and then it's generating. So you can see when you play it,
3 ways you can make money online right now.
very interesting, guys. So all what you're going to do now is you're now going to click add. So you can see it is added here. And guys, let me show you guys something. You actually have to set it to in such a way that as the text is playing, the audio the audio sound is also playing. So let's see, let's play
3
it.
ways you can make money online right now.
Okay, so this you could actually edit this or even delete it. So let's delete it. Come here and just delete this audio playing, and then it's distracting us.
3
So
ways you can make money online right now.
okay, so you see it says sell your listing. You just click on this and then come to generate text voice, and then click on it. You understand? Then you sell your photos. Matthew, yeah, generate text. So you just click on add.
1. Sell your photos.
So guys, you understand how everything is. You just set everything and make sure the text is going in same time with the voice, and just make it accurate. And then when you're done with everything, you can now click on export. Then click on export, and then it's going to tell you which one do you want to export it with. Is it with 720 or with 1080? But 720 is good, so you just click on export, and you can see it is downloaded to our PC straight.
3 ways you can make money online right now.
And this is the video playing. So guys, we're done with that. So you can see this create pro videos. When you click on it, let's say landscape. So this is when you want to create a full length video. So you can see this is for creating like a full video. And this is, I'm going to discuss this in another video, guys. So if you're interested in this video, if you want me to create a video about this and create something for you guys, you could just leave it in the comment section, and I'm going to do that for you. But this is the end of the video. So I believe you could actually start creating videos now with Invideo after watching this tutorial. Yeah, that is it, guys.